If you haven't already seen the unboxing video for the Dental Calculus Remover by Shvyog, or Shvyog, however you say it, the 3rd generation, we bought this off Amazon. I did an unboxing video. You can check that out in the cards and also in the description down below. We're actually going to be doing a first try for this. I haven't done anything with it. I literally have only done the unboxing, and now I'm going to actually try it for the first time. And I'm going to be using the chisel head, the very fine tipped, and then I'm going to be using the mirror to kind of get in there and start chipping away at the tartar. It is the weirdest sensation. It's making me a little nervous because as I went in there to like touch it against my teeth, it's vibrating. And obviously I have a lot of like sensitivity and a little bit of PTSD with my teeth. So, I mean, it wasn't painful. It just made me really scared and nervous, a little bit of anxiety to go in there with such a device. I think that in time using it, the more comfortable I end up feeling. It's not bad by any means. And I can tell that it's actually working because feeling the back of my teeth where I've kind of like worked with it a little bit, coming like the bottom base of my tooth and then coming up through the like gap and getting rid of that tartar that builds up in between the gaps of my teeth. I can feel a difference, about the same that I would feel difference-wise with my DIY at-home tartar removal routine that I was doing. It's pretty instantaneous though. It's really interesting. So I think I'm gonna keep trying it out and seeing. When I am using it though, you can actually see the tartar come up, so I'm hoping that maybe I can show on camera. I'm gonna get a seat and then set you guys up on the counter and see if I can kind of position you guys in to actually see what it looks like when the device is back there and how it's actually vibrating so much it's actually destroying and breaking up the tartar, and when you're pulling it up it's actually sticking to the device head, and I just had to spit out the tartar residue that's actually coming up. It'll be interesting to see if chips of tartar actually come out, where that actually happens with my DIY tartar removal routine. As I'm like flossing, the shards of the tartar come out in between the teeth. So I don't know if this is going to do the same thing, but let's go ahead and see if I can get you guys closer and really show you in depth what's going on with this device. Okay, so I think this is about as good as I'm gonna get. I'm sitting up here with a mirror and I'm just gonna kind of go in there and hopefully you guys can see something. So okay, so it's kind of interesting because I can tell that there's a difference. I can tell by not only the way that it looks, but by the way that it feels. So I'm definitely going to show you guys a before and an after picture to hopefully show you guys that this product is working. I'm still really nervous and apprehensive. I don't know if you guys can tell, but when I go to like put it against my tooth, I like jump just because of like the vibrations and stuff. And it's on soft. It's on the lowest setting that there is. I just think that I'm a little like nervous and I'm a little scared using the product. I think with time though, I'll feel more and more comfortable and, you know, be able to go into those other modes. So they're strong, normal, and soft. I'm using the lowest setting right now just because I want to take it slow and easy. It's been a while since I've done a tartar removal routine just because I wanted to really like, I know it sounds really gross, but I wanted to show that this product does work or if it doesn't. And in order to do that, I had to build tartar back up. Unfortunately, tartar is just a normal thing. It's what happens when we eat food and we don't properly floss and don't brush our teeth often enough.
But for some of us, tartar just naturally builds up. It's not necessarily that the person is gross or disgusting or anything like that. So always keep that in mind. Keep kindness in your heart. Some people, when they're looking for these products and stuff, it's because they genuinely want to have better dental health and they're looking for the best products. So if that's what you're here for, I can say after using this product for a while, I'm going to continue to use it, but I want to say that my first reaction is it obviously works. I will show a before and after picture here after I'm done using this fully. I'm gonna kind of get into some more positions and I don't feel like it's gonna be very helpful on camera for you guys to see that, so I can actually get in there, feel a little bit more comfortable. I feel like I'm going by feel right now than I am looking, because it's just kind of hard to do while on camera. So I think if I can get in a better situation and be able to actually see what I'm doing, I'll feel more comfortable with the product. But I can definitively say that this product does work. It does remove tartar and calculus. I will be using the flathead as well, so if that product doesn't work or for whatever reason I don't like it, I'll let you guys know in the description box down below. I do like this product and I'm really glad that we got it when it was available. This one is not on Amazon anymore, but there are several different styles around the same price point of $25 to $30. If you're interested in this, I say for the money, get it. Especially for dental health and stuff, and to remove tartar if you've been struggling with that for a while. I say yes, definitely worth it. This is a product that you will want for as long as you want to have healthy gums and to get rid of that unwanted tartar on the back of your teeth. If you guys like this product, give me a thumbs up. If you have used this product or something similar, let me know down in the comment section what you think of it. Do you recommend it, or was it just not for you? And what do you know? It's the end of the video. You're still around. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Just to let you guys know, I hit another 100 subscriber milestone. For every 100 subscribers that I hit, not really, figuratively in subscriber count, for every 100 subscribers that I get to add to the Panda family and to join my community, I want to give back to you guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos, for commenting, for, making people smile. I greatly appreciate that. And I love the interaction of the community. To give back, I will be doing another gift card giveaway. In order to be entered into that, all you have to do is just make sure that you're subscribed. Whoever is subscribed at that time that I go to do my giveaway, I will pull a name out of my subscriber count and you will get a gift card just for being subscribed to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.